Look at my hair's a mess. Let me just try and sort it out. Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. You may be thinking it's very, very dark. It's 7:18 in the morning. And yes, it's dark. I live in the UK. It's getting a bit lighter, but yes, it's extremely, extremely dark. Oh god. Like, it's extremely dark. Like, I can't believe how dark it is. Like, I'm like, what the hell? So yes, it's very, very dark. It's extremely dark. I'm up because I'm trying to get the Vlogmas up for 4 o'clock today, which is alright. But I'm just trying to get it up. It seems impossible. It really does, but yeah. I get up slowly. Oh god. Just a bit tired, sorry. I've just woken up, so I haven't just woken up. No, I woke up at 7, so I've been up for 19 minutes, so you know, so I need to go and get dressed soon and stuff. But Dan's still asleep. It's 7:19 and he's still asleep. It's now 7:19. I go upstairs, you know. I need to go and get dressed into my well, my gym gear, but it's my actual. It's my gym gear, but it's my thingy gym gear. It's not actually well, it's my gym gear, but it's my old gym gear, if you know what I mean. But new trousers. It's weird, I know. And then I'm gonna go out and go for a walk or jog. So that'll be fun. Tired though, I'm really tired. But it should be fun to get out and go for my Catch to 5K today. And a little later on, I'm going to Slim World. That'd be fun. Downstairs, just getting everything sorted. It is raining. It's spitting. And now we're going to open our advent calendars. And my husband's here as well.
Oh.
You got a brown one, did you?
Yeah.
What did I get? I don't know. What did I get? I might move this to the dining room table just because it'll be a little bit easier for me to open. Here you go. And you can see me probably better then. Oh, probably. You can. It's like you probably can see me better. You can see me better. Okay. Try that. Number 3. Where's number 3? 3! What do I get in number 3? I have no idea. Let's see what we got. Oh my god. Oh dear. Let's see what we get in number 3. Oh, okay, what's this? It is a cream, a multi-cream. We got a little multi-cream. It's a Fedora mini-size multi-cream. Or it's the deluxe size. And same with the packaging. So we got a cream today. I could try that, see what this cream's all about. Laboratories filled. What the hell is it? Dan, is my cap in? No, I've got my cap. So yeah, we're gonna go out now. So we're going out now. We're out. I need to catch 5K. It's raining, so I'm leaving in the car because I don't want the camera to get wet. I don't think this camera's waterproof.
Probably not.
So we're gonna go out and I'm gonna do my catch to 5K. So yeah, it should be fun. My husband wants to go to the south woodlands, don't you? Yeah.
I'm about to get chest pain.
Yeah, chest pain. Oh, it got me good.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family. Have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV. Wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over, town. I'm not one of them, the 3 wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town.
We have gone to Fridgeyard Park. My coat is soaked. You can tell because that bit's dry. You can see where the dry bits are and where the wet bits are. It's actually kind of dry. This actually drying. Feel it now. You know it's soaked. Actually dries really quickly, doesn't it? This coat actually dries really quickly. I'm quite impressed with that. It actually dries really quickly, which I'm really impressed with. That's cool. So I did do as best as I did, but I did when I wasn't supposed to run. When I was supposed to walk, I ran, and when I was supposed to run, I walked. But it was a bit in between because it was Pokemon's fault.
Yeah.
I blame Pokemon. Pokemon Go, that is. I blame Pokemon Go. Cool. I blame Pokemon Go. I do. That's what I blame. But my video, it will go live. At 4 o'clock. It's all good. It's all good. So my video will go live at 4 o'clock, which is really, really exciting. I'm excited about that. I've already done the Vlogmas number day 2. It's already done. And that's it. It's good. Today's Vlogmas day 3. 3?
3.
It's the 3rd. Bloody hell. I'm gonna go home. I haven't washed my face because I know I was jogging and it
Before you know it, it'll be Vlogmas day 27.
You're not funny. No, Vlogmas ain't until the 24th.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. But like me last year, because we stayed at home, I vlogged Christmas Day. I might do that again. I don't know.
You just vlog the preparation of the dinner and the demolishing of it.
But I will go home, so I can I'll probably have dinner, breakfast at the minute because I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm definitely breakfast.
I'm hungry.
Good afternoon, guys. It's almost the afternoon. It's 11:44. My wife's just, we're back from our lovely walk. My wife's just sitting there putting on her makeup and shit, taking a few pictures. Looking beautiful as always. But yeah, I've done some washing up downstairs. I watched NXT, fabulous as always. And I'm currently just playing through my Star Trek on my wife's laptop. Like, I'm not doing a lot. Like right now I'm I'm requisitioning a new duty officer. Ooh, I can do a second. But otherwise, yeah, we've not got a lot planned for today. Depending on what the weather looks like, we might go out again. But I need to put my phone on charge before we do that. As does my wife probably. But yeah, so probably going to be a mildly chilled day. Is what it is though. Yeah. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Hope you can't hear it as much in here. I'm making some grilled mushrooms. So I've got they've got the mince done, the tomatoes and the cheese, and all of this is free. My cheese is for my heavy extra A. But guess, oh god, sorry, I got an itchy nose. But guess what? It'll be like speed. 2 will be speed, and then the mince will be free, and then the cheese will be my heavy extra A, and that's it. But this is like a nice taco version. Oh god, I got an itchy nose. I hate itchy noses. Okay, I think that's good. Dan, did you finish the cheese? Dan? Yeah? Did you finish the cheese?
Did I go eat the cheese?
Did you finish the cheese?
Finish the cheese? What, like finish the entire block? No.
Okay. So my
whole
husband's here as well.
block, baby. I wasn't going to finish the whole block.
Watching, listen to Spotify. Listen to music. Shake your titties.
Shake my titties.
It's then with lunch. It's grilled mushrooms with tomatoes, mince, lettuce, and 55 grams of cheese. Woohoo!
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
It's very, very wet outside, but I got my first Christmas card, and it's from my
So,
yes, it's the model leader, and in it got a little believe sign, a believe magnet. It just says believe in yourself and anything's possible. So I got a Christmas card from there. Plus, that was from the first week we did Zoom. I got some other week. That was on the 12th or the 11th, 20. 4/11, 12/11. 2 times in a row. And I got a book. And I lost £2.5.
Woohoo!
I lost £2.5. But yeah, I'm going to see what's in this book. But I'm so excited. It's pouring of rain outside. Chucking it down.
Really, baby.
I know too, but yeah, I lost £2.5 today. That's how much I lost, baby. So I'm so excited to lose that.
Did you say 2.5 or 10.5?
2.5.
Okay, cool. Up to 10.5.
But yeah, I'm going to go now. And we've been watching The Producers, just let you know.
Feeling alone, kinda misty. Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm. Sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on. Listening to this song playing on. Feeling alone, kinda misty. Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm.
7:43 in the evening. I'm in bed. But if I, you know, want to do something, get a drink, I can just go downstairs in my pajamas, which is fine.
Yeah. Good evening, guys. It is 7:30, and we're wrapped up, ready to go to not sleep, ready to eat pancakes. Because it's pancake day today. Have you kissed me on my cheek?
Where?
Right there.
There?
Yeah.
I think you've got a spot there.
Cool, I got a spot. I'm glad about that. We've had a fun day. We played some games, we danced to some music. What else did we do, baby? We went for a walk this morning, you went to swimming mud and you lost like 17 pounds. Made dinner. Had lunch. What did we have for lunch?
A taco thing?
Yeah, the taco thing, that was really nice.
Don't you complain that there was no fucking salsa?
Yeah, I need salsa. And for breakfast I had a last of my cereal. So I know my cereal lasts me 2 weeks, so I need like 4 boxes. I'm gonna hand you back over to my beautiful wife now.
But yeah, I'm glad I lost 2.5 pounds. Like, I put on 2, and then on my 5th week I put on 3, and now I've lost 2. So I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Just need to do a hell of a lot of exercise, you know, just to get it off. So I might try doing exercise DVDs as well. There's one that I really do like, which I probably will do. It's a Charlotte Crosby one. I like that one a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna go watch some Vlogmases as you do on YouTube, and see you guys there.